start. Good morning again, grade 8. We are still in the activity
Good morning,
part
sir.
of the module 2, your atomic structure. Right? Upon checking on the previous activity, I opened this twice already, only 3 attempts. Okay, as you can see, it's Rabi, EM, and Andrade. Right? The rest didn't do the activity number 2. Okay? What I want you to do now, grade 8, is do the activity number 3. Okay? The subatomic particles. So what's with the subatomic particles? This is now your protons, neutrons, and electrons. Alright? You need to look, or you need to um, find the quantity of protons, neutrons, and electrons, or the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. At the same time, the notation. Sure, how can we make that possible? So let's open now activity number 3. As you can see, let's check. Okay. As you can see, let me share it again. Completing the table, complete the table below by filling up the missing data. What's with the missing data? So this is the missing data. Can you see now my shared screen still? Rabi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your table. Okay. So for example, magnesium, you need to look for the atomic number, atomic mass, protons, electrons, and neutrons. At the same time, the element notation. Remember the element notation that I've discussed last meeting, grade 8?
Yes, sir.
Element notation. So, you need to write the symbol, and the upper part is, or the superscript. What's in the superscript? What should be written in the superscript, or the upper part? Grade 8?
What again, sir?
What would be written in the superscript, the upper part? Diba? When you write um, notations, you need to write first the symbol or the um, element symbol first. Like for example, helium, He. Okay? What should be written next is the superscript. So, what would be your superscript then? Unsa may isuwat sa superscript? Katong nas mabaw.
The atomic number?
The
Atomic number?
atomic number?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Why? Well, I discussed last meeting that you should write first on the superscript the atomic mass. This is notation already. Okay? This is element notation. Diba? You need to write the atomic mass first. Rabi?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Huh? Okay. In the superscript again and again, you should write first on the upper part or the superscript, what? The atomic mass. Okay? Atomic mass. Or otherwise called atomic weight. On the lower part is your atomic number, or your subscript is in atomic number. Again, atomic mass should be written in the superscript, pinakamabaw. Atomic number is in the lower part or pinakaubos. Right? How about getting your protons, neutrons, and electrons? How would you get your protons, neutrons, and electrons? Anybody? Saan pagkuha sa protons, neutrons, and electrons?
The number of protons, sir, is the atomic number.
Okay, correct. How about neutrons?
The the mass number and the atomic number.
The mass number and
The atomic number.
okay, mass number minus atomic number. How about electrons?
Also the atomic number, sir.
Atomic number. Okay. Atomic number minus the charge. Yeah, again, atomic number minus the charge. Okay? Do you have any questions so far? Do you have any questions so far? By the way,
None, sir.
number one, it is magnesium, ha? I will just change it later. It is magnesium. Do you have any questions so far with our activity?
None, sir.
How about others? Where is Janine?
I think she logged, sir, and her Zoom crashed.
Okay, again, Rabi, I'll give the task to you to inform your classmates about the activity. Alright?
Okay, teacher.
One, because this is
Okay, sir.
hold on, hold on first. Your question, or send a personal message to me. There you go. Right? Your quiz now, or your activity for today, is already up and ready to answer. Again, please do activity number 3, the subatomic particles. Okay? So, again, I want you to do activity number 3 today with the direction, completing the table, complete the table below by filling up the missing data. What are those data? The data's there, or the datas there, are the protons, neutrons, electrons at the same time. Okay? What? Element notations. Okay? Do I make it clear? Grade 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think that is all for today, class. Thank you for your participation, Ravi, Vincent, Janine, and EM. Again, I'll be waiting for your answers until the end of the day, and it's around 5 p.m. Right?
Okay, sir.
I think that is all for today, class. Ravi, I already given you the task to inform your classmate with regards to the activity.
Okay, sir.
Bye, class. And by the way,
Bye.
for answering your activity, you may send a picture or JPEG format. You just simply add or use paint. Like for example, when you do the notation, because it's really hard if you gonna write it in just pure text. So you download the table and you answer it directly to the table, and then the notation you can also add it through paint. Okay, you just use paint, right?
Okay, sir.
One. Think that's all for today, class. Thank you for your time. Thank you for participating today. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye, sir.